Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 12, 13. I don't even know what days it is anymore. Okay, day 13. So, we just came back from being out at Walmart and Target. We had to exchange Wally's pants because it didn't fit him. And then we went to Target to pick up the bookshelf. We also ended up getting milk that we needed, and we got some packages from our clubhouse that I had ordered. So I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit because I have another package that's actually just about to arrive from UPS, which is the covers for some of the pillow inserts that I got. So I'm going to show you guys everything, and then yeah, that's basically going to be part of today's video. I still have like this annoying cough, which is the cough is like always the last thing to leave from me. I don't know why. I did the boys' hair today. I did Isaac's and Levi's. So yeah, so it's just gonna be another haul. Well, I'm gonna say unboxing this time. And there's Levi. So yeah, we literally just got home while he's waiting upstairs for a UPS truck so he can just grab the package so they don't leave it at the clubhouse. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys that once while he gets back. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do, to be honest. Like today, I feel like went by so fast. Like we left and it was nice and bright, and we came back an hour later and it's literally like pitch black. Like I hate this. Like I love to see how bright it is outside, so like seeing how fast it turns dark like just makes me so sad. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then that's gonna be part of probably like my room transformation. But I want to show you guys a little bit of the things that I got, so once I do the room transformation, you guys can see like how it all came together. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Actually, there's one thing I need to get. I'll just do that now. All right, so I'm gonna start off with these pillow inserts. It's two, and they're just like 26 by 26 inches from Amazon. And I want these to use on the bed, like for when we close it up. I want to have like accent pillows. So I got these, and I got some pillow covers for them, and I got it in green. Let me open it up. So I wanted to get it in green because I wanted like a pop of color on the bed, and I feel like green is like the best color to have. Let's see. Oh, they're huge. So this is basically how big the pillows are gonna be. So it's huge pillow insert, but I wanted it that big because at the same time, I think what I'm gonna do is when I close up the bed, I think some pillows I might put them away and just leave these to like have like as a decor / accent pillow. You guys will see what I end up doing with it, so stay tuned for that. And then this doesn't have to do with like our room makeover, but if I'm not mistaken, these are some towels that we ordered. Yes. So my sister, when we went to my sister Mari's house, we saw that Melky had ordered some towels, and they felt so nice, and they're microfiber towels, like full length. These are 30 by 60 inches, and I got them in gray. So I got two in gray, and I got 4 in white, same size, 30 by 60. And they're actually not that expensive, to be honest. I was very surprised because microfiber towels are really good for your skin, and they absorb more water as well. So I feel like these are gonna last us a good amount of time. And they're so soft too, super soft. So these are them, and that's basically it. Also, we got finally the other bookshelf right there, which I'm probably not gonna do today because honestly we got home pretty late and Wally's about to be leaving to work in like half an hour, and there's no way that I'll be able to do this with the kids here. So that's gonna have to wait until tomorrow, and then I'll be able to then build the bookshelf, put it there, and then finally like organize the bookshelf how I want it. There are some things that I want to get later on, but I really want to put out this video, so I'm gonna try my best to organize it how I want it, and then probably I'll do like another update on like the room once I get other things. Hi, baby. Hi. You finished?
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish recording here and I'm gonna get you more, okay? You wanna sit with me for a little bit? Okay. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm gonna go ahead and give Levi more cereal, which is what he wants right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's very, very short vlog, but if you guys enjoyed it, I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with more things to do. I think I kind of want to do like a Q&A video. We'll see. If you guys have any questions, then you guys can put it in the description, in the comments below. And I'll probably try to answer some questions. But I think I'm going to do like a Q&A video. I don't know if Wally's going to want to do it because he's probably going to be tired. But if he does, I'll see if I get some couple questions to ask. And we can answer them. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Levi, say subscribe.
Subscribe
To my channel.
Channel.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Put the
Say
Levi.
bye.
Hi.
No, bye.
Bye.